How to start flipping cars with only $1,000. For those of you who don't know, my name is Tom. This is Hustle and Finance, and today I'm going to be taking you guys in depth in a multi-part series of my first year flipping cars. I'm going to be giving you guys the good, the bad, the ugly, how much money I made, the lessons I've learned, what kind of cars I had, how long they took to sell, and everything I learned along the way. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. Now, the first time I went to the auction, I went with a mechanic who was a good friend of mine. We ended up partnering together on our first car, and we're still business partners to this day. When we went to that auction, we went there with only the intent to find out the rules and the regulations of the auction, and we were just going to grab a bidder number just in case something went cheap enough. We didn't want to let a deal pass us up. If something went for $500-600, we were going to buy it. So we go to the booth, we get our bidder number, and the auction starts. We see cars go for a couple grand here, a couple grand there, nothing that really catches our eye or nothing that's really cheap enough for us to make a buck on or feel really comfortable buying the vehicle at all. Because we're brand new to this game, we don't want to spend a lot of money. At the auction for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, a 2004 Lancer pulls up to the auction block. The big caller goes, Mitsubishi Lancer 2004, clean title, no check engine light, as is. Can I get 500? Quiet. Can I get 400? Not a sound. Quiet as a church. Can I get 300? 300. Boom. My partner calls it 300. Where can I get 300? 350. Someone else calls him 350. So my partner raises his hand again. Boom, I give him the go-ahead because I'm excited. I'm like, all right, let's go. Let's get this done. We're winning. I felt like I was at the casino for the first time. So it goes 400 going once, 400 going twice. Hit that like button if you're enjoying this video, guys. All right, sold. We bought the car for just only $400. We go up to the auction booth to go pay our deposit so we can get sent to the next booth to get our tags, title, and registration. We go, we give them a deposit, and we go to the next booth so we can pay the balance in full. Now, we didn't know that there was going to be fees at first, so we got charged an additional $100. So instead of paying $400 for the car, we paid $500 for the car, and then we paid $275 for tags, title, registration. So we go out back, we go get our car, we look at the car. The car is really, really dirty, not a big deal. We can clean that. That's okay. The radio's missing, that's all right. That's only a $50 fix. We try to turn the car on, nothing happens. So we go, we pop the hood, the battery's missing. We put jumpers on it, we jump it out, it starts right up. We plug our scanner right up into it, and when we plug our scanner up into it, we read that there is no check engine light. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button. After this video gets 1,000 views, I'm going to drop part 2, and I'm not going to show you guys just one, but I'm going to show you guys my next 2 flips. Now, on one of them flips, I tripled my money. I advise you to show everyone this video, show it to anyone that it could help out, show it to your mom, show it to your brother, show it to your dog. Sweet oblivion, no check engine light. It's ready to pass inspection. We could put stickers on this car as long as it passes the visual inspection. It's amazing. Let's go get it done. So after we did a full tune-up to the car, we were about $1,000 into it, replaced the battery, put a new radio in, detailed the whole car from top to bottom, turned it from dirty tan interior to clean tan interior. It only took us a day's work to get the car ready to be sold, and it took us 45 days total to sell the car. We sold the car for $2,200, making a total profit of $1,200, which was more than doubling our money, and that's not bad for our first flip. Now, if you guys think this video could help anyone or you found any of this information useful, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe. Let's try to get this video to 1,000 views. Once I get this video to 1,000 views, I'm not going to give you just my second flip, but I'm going to give you my third flip also. And with one of them cars, I tripled my money. So get these views out there, and you'll find out what kind of cars I had and how much I made. Right now, we started out with 1,000. We're up to $2,000, and we're only 45 days into the first year. Thank you guys, and have a great day. Now we're there for about an hour and a half. We see